Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, just like the title said, it's going to be an unboxing from Michael Kors. Now these two purses, I've been but I was like waiting for them to come back because it wasn't on the website. He took it off and I guess was discontinued, but now he brought it back. And then the other one, I didn't want it to pay full price, but I still had to pay full price because that one never go on sale. So this is the first one right here. You know, Michael Kors. This one came in a white bag. So this is what the bag looked like. She is. Can you see it? It's on the ballet pink color. This lining here is really bad, but I'm trying to figure out, so please bear with me. But this is what it looked like in the back. I love this purse so much. And this one is a crossbody. You know, Michael Kors always have all their bags very well unpacked, and I love that about them. So this is the strap, and here have the little holes for you to adjust it to your height. For me, probably gonna be all the way to the last hole because I'm short and I don't like my bags to be too low or to hang too low. That's what it looks like. That's the front. It says Michael Kors. This one is gold hardware. That's what it looks like in the inside. Have a lot of tissue paper. That's what it looks like. It says Michael Kors. It has just one big space. Let me see if this light can work for us today. You see, it's just one big hole, and then inside have a zipper and a pocket made for you to put your driver license and your credit cards. It's not that big. And then on the back have another one, and I think you can put your phone in here. I'm not sure. That's what it looks like. And then the closure is magnetic closure. This one reminds me of the favorite from LB. And this one is a crossbody. That's what it looks like. I think it's super cute. And I have other straps that I can use with this. Is I don't want to wear it as a crossbody and I want to wear it as a purse. I think I can use it with a different one. Just put it right there on the clasp, right there, and just change it. Okay, and this one is called medium logo convertible crossbody bag in the color ballet. And for this one, let's see, how much did I pay for this? I think I paid like $99 for that one. It doesn't say, but I think it was like $99. So it's that one. Now the second purse comes in this bag right here. And this one is called GD Medium Logo Crossbody Bag in the color Ballet. And for this one I pay $198, and with taxes was $211.86. Like I said, for this one I pay full price because it just never go on sale. Comes like this. Time to take all this wrapping. And this one, I should have got this one when they first put this one out there, because I think it was like $98, something like that, when they first came out with this one. And then it became popular. And you know what they do with the popular items? They bump it up. So it went from like $98 to $198. Or it was like $149, something like that, I think. So this is the strap. It's pink. And this one have the chain, which is gold. It's in the color Ballet. Here it says Michael Kors. It's a square bag. Here have the Michael Kors print. And then here is just a solid like rose pale color. Have the little tassel here. It's super cute with the chain. That's what it looks on the bottom. Here is the zipper, which is gold color. And I wanted this one for so long, and I was like, oh, I don't want to pay $200. But my husband got it for me. And it's gorgeous. I mean, the inside looks like this. Have one pocket on this side, and on this side have another pocket, which is a zipper. It's just like a beige color inside. Beige color. It have a lot of space in there. Very, very cute. I like this purse. Let's see how it looks crossbody on me. That's what it looks like. Super cute. I love this one. I'm gonna show you guys one more that I ordered a long time ago, and I haven't able to show it to you. So today I'm gonna show it to you guys. Come in this box. And this one, then let me see when I bought this. I bought this. Wow, I bought this last year on June 28th. Until now, I just opened this box. And this one costs $99. And with taxes, what, $105. And this one is called Bedford small logo stripe satchel in the color black combo. I'm going to be writing the names for each of them so that you guys can see, just in case you cannot understand my tongue. This one is gorgeous. Ready? Whee! So this one is brown and it have white stripe with black. The handles are black. This one reminds me of the Speedy 25 from Louis Vuitton, but which better price? This one is gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh Jesus. Like I said, Michael Kors made sure that all the bags are well packed. I wish they do that with the shoes, because sometimes I buy shoes from them and they're not brand new, they're not packed properly, and it's like, really? I paid this much for these shoes and you sending me an old pair of shoes? So this is what it looks like in the front. Have the little logo here. It says NK. Here it says Michael Kors. Have the handles black. It's so pretty. Like that. And this one is a crossbody too. Open like so. I love this black right here. Of course, have a lot of tissue paper. Here is the strap for the crossbody part. I can't wait to wear this one when it's like summertime. Or to go out, you know, on an evening and just wear it as a purse on the crook of my arm. I think I'm gonna have to move all the way to the last hole because it's gonna be too long for me. Okay, so that's what it looks like in the inside, and it's beige inside. Has one pocket right there, And then on this side I have a zipper pocket right there. But it is very spacious. I have another one that is all black, just like this one, and another one that is white or the beige color. I might do a comparison on all three, or just show you guys all three together so you can see how they are, because they are beautiful in their own little world. And then I have pockets here on the side. If you want to put something in there, you can. On this side too. I will not be using these pockets for anything, so you can wear it like this. I like this dress. I wear it like that. I think it looks super nice, very pretty. Or you can wear it as a crossbody, like that. I don't think that it's too big or anything. I think it's the perfect size for me. You can rest those like that if you want to. They look very nice. I like these. This is a gorgeous purse. I don't know why I waited so long to show you guys. It's so pretty. Very nice. I got one for my daughter in the same print with the same detail right here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'll be back. Okay, so this is the one that I got for my daughter. It's a crossbody bag. This one, the strap is thicker. That's what it looks like. And this one is silver. That one is gold. This one is silver, but it looks the same. This is the silver, right in Michael Kors, but it's white and black. And this one I got for her at the outlet. This one I bought online at the Michael Kors website. But yeah, mama and daughter. Super cute. I love these ones. Yes. Okay guys, thank you so much again for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Share with your friends and families this video. Give me 2 likes, please. Comment down below. Tell me which one was your favorite. And I'll be seeing you next time. Love you.